Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use the remote fraction widget for any slider inside your WordPress Elementor web page. You must be familiar with the fraction navigation system that shows the total number of sliders and the current serial with the fraction number style. On the screen, you can see the fraction on top of the heading right beside the testimonial carousel, which is on the left. Fraction is a part of the navigation system that adds more visual enhancement to your web pages. This little amount of exceptional changes due to the remote fraction could highly boost your site's user experience as well. Alright, now let us show you how to use it. Let's drag and drop the remote fraction widget inside the section here. We already have some designs ready and the fancy slider widgets on the right as the target slider. Now click on the slider and go to the Advanced tab for customizations. Here you can put a CSS ID for the slider. Go ahead and do it. And then copy it. Now go back to the fraction widget and paste the CSS ID in the remote field here. It takes only a second for the fraction widget to link to the slider. Then you can click on navigation dots to change the slider item and see the fraction showing changing numbers in real time. That means it's working as intended. Now go back to fractions. There are more things to see here. Here's an alignment button for the counters. You can also customize the digit pad with numbers. Then go to its style tab. Here you'll get another alignment option and a scroll bar to adjust the spacing of the fraction numbers. Let's pick a color for the current number text. After that, customize the typography. We can put a different color for the total number text. Then let's change the size of the separator between the two numbers. With just a few little tweaks, the remote fraction widget is ready to show off. That's all about it. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out our other widget videos to learn about them. Okay then, see you next time.